Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make voucher entry in Tally Prime. First, you will learn to identify the different voucher types, such as payment, receipt, and journal. Then, we will guide you through accessing the voucher entry screen directly from the gateway of Tally. Finally, you will understand how to select the appropriate voucher type for your accounting needs, ensuring accurate record keeping from the start. Now, let's focus on recording a payment voucher. Begin by accurately entering the date and a unique reference number for your transaction. Next, you will debit the account that represents the expense incurred or the liability paid off. Subsequently, credit the bank or cash account from which the payment was made. Always remember to add a brief, descriptive narration to explain the purpose of the payment clearly. Moving on to receipt vouchers, the process is quite similar. Start by entering the correct date and any necessary reference details for the incoming funds. You will then debit the bank or cash account where the money was deposited. Following this, credit the income or asset account that is the source of this receipt. A concise narration is crucial here to fully describe the nature of the funds received. Finally, after entering all the details, accept the voucher to save your transaction securely. To review your work, navigate to the day book, which displays all entries made on a specific date. From here, you can easily modify any incorrect entries or even delete them if necessary. Always take a moment to ensure the accuracy and completeness of your voucher entries for reliable financial reporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.